Hey there, everybody, and welcome back. For those of you that are looking to learn to improve, market, rebrand, or just add content to your website or web app, but you're looking for different tools, stay tuned. I'm going to be covering 10 tools and resources in today's video in under 10 minutes. So before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the channel for new content. Alright, so one quick thing to note, all of these tools are going to have either a free tier or they will have some kind of a free trial so that you can try them for yourself. And you're going to want to stay tuned because I'm covering my favorite and a demo of it at the very end. So jumping straight in, we'll start out with SEO ability. So SEO is search engine optimization. If you already have your website built and you like it, you may just want to drive traffic to it, which is where SEO ability can help. They have an on-site audit, rank tracking, and backlink checker. They do have an option, as you see right here, to check single web pages for free. I'll put the link to this website and all the others in the description, but if you click through, you can see screenshots of this in action where they scan your site and then show you problematic areas such as problematic page titles, and you'll see all these different things that you can use SEO ability for. Now, jumping into the next one, it is W3 Schools. So this is a really unique website because not only do they have tutorials and break down tons of different programming languages for you, but if you go to the how-to section of the site, you'll see when you go to how-to home, you can scroll through, find different things that you like. For example, if we decided you like this slideshow here, you can click Learn How To and try it yourself. With each of these options, you'll have the HTML code on the left. You can make your edits and changes, and then on the right, you can see those changes after you hit the Run button. Once you like the code or the slider, you then have that code to copy to your website, again, assuming that you have all of the rights that you would need. So they have tons of different resources and code for different widgets that you can add to your website if you're interested. As you can see, it's a pretty lengthy list. Now, third option, those of you that already have a social element to your website, you can skip this one, but this is Yuki. The idea for this is it's for creators, brands, and products. So you have the page that looks like this, and you can embed this Yuki site into your website, which is actually what I've done over at codelessfix.com. You can click on the classes and the forums section and see the Yuki page embedded directly into codelessfix.com. The idea is you have a members area and you can build in these forums and pages for classes. And one thing that I love about this is not only do they have a free trial when you sign up, but if you check out their lifetime deal pricing like this page here, you'll see that you have the option to use the lifetime deal and sign up for $99 or depending on the option that you want. And basically you can get all of these different parts included, and you can still embed it into your website and you just pay the one-time fee. Now, jumping into option 4 is Ply.io. Now, this is something you'll see they have a join beta option. This is more so going to be for those of you looking to build out the experience. So this is more of a back-end tool. You'll see you can add buttons inside of your current apps. So examples would be creating actionable notifications, and you can create your own command bar and then have a personalized customer experience, as you can see right here. So tons of different options. The idea is if you wanted to add something, for example, you could see a sample workflow right here, or maybe you want to add a button into Gmail. You can see tons of different options, integrations, and pricing as well. So when you go to the pricing page, you'll see free while in beta. Now, next up is going to be SSL Checker. This is a very, very quick one. It's sslshopper.com. You can go here, type in the server host name, see when that SSL certificate expires, or troubleshoot any SSL issues. So that one's pretty simple. Jumping into the next option, one that most people have probably heard of but haven't necessarily used, is Google Analytics. It's a great free tool that you can sign up for, and you can see tons of different information from your website. The idea here is when you go to your report snapshot, you can build out tons of different reports, see your users by country, and then as you scroll through, you can see user activity, what pages, what users are viewing, what the events are, and tons of other information. So you can actually go through and examine user behavior and see a lot more. This is more of a back-end tool, but this is going to help you to better understand the user journey, what pages are performing well or getting a lot of views, what pages aren't, things of that nature. Now, next up is Google Search Console. Now, this is something where you're going to add projects to, and this is actually going to help with the very last tool we're going to be covering. So it's kind of a two-in-one. But the idea here is you do have some clicks, impressions, performance data if you're interested. So you can see when you go to pages, you can see countries. So there are some different performance related things that you can check into. They have this URL inspection tab, so you could inspect URLs here if you were interested. And then you'll see there's an analytics section for creators, and then tons of different options. So again, you can scroll through and learn more by really just signing up for Google Search Console. Next up is Make.com. This is another one that's going to be kind of similar to Ply.io, and this is more of a back-end tool. You'll see the idea is workflow automation. So the idea is you'll have a trigger which sets a series of different integrations. So you can see when you go to templates, different options that they have for commerce, communication, things of that nature. So this may not in every case be something that directly shows or impacts a user on the front end, but as you can tell, there are tons of bits of information that can help to improve the user experience and streamline workflows and just really make your website smoother. Next up is Unsplash, one of many different options online where you can find tons of different content or media to use for your website. So when you scroll through, you'll see tons of different pages and different images, and you can check out the Unsplash license here. But the idea is most of these are going to be downloaded and used for free, and you can see the different terms and conditions here. So you can go type in, for example, if you wanted a phone and you wanted an image for your website, you could scroll through, find what you like, and then when you click it, you can click download for free. And just make sure to give a shout out to the individuals that are providing the content, so those artists. And then last up, as I said, is going to be Ahrefs.com. It's a really, really impressive tool with a free option with this all-in-one SEO tool set. So you can analyze, optimize, audit your website, and you'll see tons of different data and options. So the best way to explain this is to log in and show you a very, very quick high-level overview. So I've done this to codelessfix.com, which is my website. I'll click on the health score, although as you can tell, there are tons of options on the left. The idea is, how do you find out all the different issues with your site and fix them? So for example, when you've embedded this into your site or proven ownership by using what I said earlier, which is Google Search Console, then you'll be able to add your projects and see them here. And you can just do a new crawl and scan your website when you've made changes. An example is if I have title tag missing. You can click it, it'll show you all the pages with the issue. You can go and fix those issues, and then the idea is you just kind of scroll through, fix the different issues that you find, do a new crawl, make sure that everything is coming up as expected, but you'll see you have tons of different things related to indexability, internal pages, links, redirects, content. So you could basically just track and figure out what issues you may have with your site and improve it. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment box below and let me know what your favorite tool was or is, and I'll see you all in the next video.